Article 14, right to equality. Our Constitution of India states that who are staying in the state or country shall not be denied to any a person's equality. Equality before law and equal protection of our laws within the territory of India who are living as Indians and foreigners also. And we are going to see one kind of a thing here. Here a person means not only the persons, either companies or statutory bodies, corporations, registered societies, any other type of legal persons, or equal treatment before the law. Here we have to see two things. First one is equality before law. Second one is equal protection of our laws. The two things are very important in a right to equality. First of all, we have to know one thing: equality before law. Here the term is taken from the England Constitution. Here there are three type of applications before the law. Equal treatment for all persons before the court. Law will be blind. It will not see whether who are standing in the dock, either rich or poor, whoever there is, all have equal treatment before the court. Court will provide equal treatment to all the persons, equal law to all the persons, either rich or poor. Second one is, shall not be any privilege for any particular person. You are a particular person, privileged person, or a not privileged person. That would not be seen. Crime is crime's punishment is same to all the persons. Either you are privileged person, not privileged person, equal punishment should be given by the court. Number 3 is, no person is rich or poor, either black or white, either minister or servant, whoever there is before the court. Equal law should be applicable to both minister and the servant also. Equal punishment, equal law should be adapted to every person, black or white, rich or poor, minister or servant, whoever there is. Equal law should be applicable to all the persons by the court. Next one is number 2, equal protection of our laws. Here the provisions are taken from the Constitution of America. Such kind of provisions are, first one, we see similar application of the same laws to all persons who are similarly situated, at certain place. All should be equal. Equal treatment and equal protection should be given by law. Like this way, the second one is equal treatment under equal circumstances, both for the privileges and conferred and liabilities imposed by the law. If you are a privileged person or liability person, such kind of privileges and liabilities would not be accepted before the law. Protection of law. Equal protection should be given to privileged conferred persons and liability imposed persons also. And no discriminations would not be seen. Number 3, all persons should be treated equally without any discrimination. No discrimination would not be accepted. Equal treatment should be accepted before the protection of law. Law protects you from the discrimination who are ill-treating you, who are unequal treating you. Law protect you from such kind of activities. Like this way, 3 kinds of protections are established in equal protection of law by the court, by the law. Number 3, here we are going to see some Supreme Court's orders. Supreme Court believes that rule of law written under Article 14, it cannot be established in any way even by amending in the Constitution. When amending the Constitution in the Parliament, at the time also no abolitions would be accepted to Article 14. The Supreme Court gave some orders against the amendment of the Article 14. Supreme Court would not accept against the amendments of Article 14. Such kind of orders issued by the Supreme Court. There are some exceptions also. Such kind of exceptions are with the right to equality. Here some exceptions are, first one is, no criminal proceedings shall not be initiated or continued against the governor or president of India. In the court during his term of office, his or her term of office, either whoever there is, gent or lady, as president and governor, the court would not be accept any kind of proceedings and continuations also, which are already there was as the cases. Such kind of cases continuation also would not be accepted in the court. This is the first one. Next, second one is, no court can issue orders, arrest warrants against the president or a governor during his term of office, his or her term of office. No court can issue arrest warrants against the governor or President of India. This is the second exception. Number 3, no member of a state legislative (MLAs) shall be liable to impose any proceedings in any court in respect of any statement or any vote given by him in the state legislature. Next, number 4, in the same way, no member of the parliament (MP) shall liable to any proceedings in any court in respect of any statement or any vote given by him in the parliament. Like this way, we shall see the fourth exception. And fifth exception is United Nations or agencies also have diplomatic immunities. There is exception for United Nations and agencies and diplomatic immunities also. And number 6, foreigners, ambassadors, diplomatic immunities who are in India staying there. Against them also law proceedings would not be accepted. Like this way, a exception we see against the sovereign rulers, ambassadors and diplomatic immunities. And sixth immunity is foreign sovereign rulers, ambassadors and diplomatic persons will be free from criminal and civil cases. Civil cases and criminal cases also would not be accepted against the foreign rulers and ambassadors and diplomatic rulers also. Like this way, some exceptions are introduced in our Constitution of India. After that, the CAA, we see about that. CAA means Citizenship Amendment Act. Citizenship Amendment Act was established in 2019. Here, who are the citizens in India, who are foreigners in India, to give the citizenship to the right persons, the Citizenship Amendment Act is established in 2019. There are some hesitations against to this Citizenship Amendment Act. This kind of rule is related to Article 14, equality before law. Who are citizens of India, who are foreigners in India, for the equal treatment to give to each and everybody, the Citizenship Amendment Act was established there. Thank you.